Hello everyone, welcome to Maths with Mr. J, and today I'm going to show you how to solve this exponential equation. Solution: 5 raised to the power of x plus 1 equal to 25 raised to the power of x all over 2 times root of 5 raised to the power of 2x plus 2. Next step, we change 25 to base 5. When we change 25 to base 5, we have 5 raised to the power of x plus 1 equals to 5 raised to the power of 2 all raised to the power of x all over 2 times, we change the roots to power, where we have root of n equals to n raised to the power of 1 over 2. If that is true, the root we change to 5 raised to the power of 2 into x plus 1. We have to factorize this. 2 is common, which is 2 into x plus 1. Then all raised to the power of 1 over 2. Next step, we have 5 raised to the power of x plus 1 equal to 5 raised to the power of x. 2 can cancel, to left with x, times 5 raised to the power of 2 cancel 2, left with x plus 1. At this point, in left hand side, we have to use product law of indices, where we have a raised to the power of m times a raised to the power of n equal to a raised to the power of m plus n. If we apply this here, we have 5 raised to the power of x plus 1 equal to 5. We pick one of the base, which is 5 raised to the power of x plus, we add the powers, s plus 1. Then we compare both sides. If we compare both sides, base we cancel base, 5 left with x plus 1 equal to 2x plus 1. When we add the x plus x gives us 2x. Then we continue, we collect the like terms. When we collect like terms, meaning s to one side and number to one side, then we have x minus 2x equal to 1 minus 1. And when we do that, s minus 2x gives us minus x equals to 1 minus 1 equals to 0. We divide both sides by minus 1. When we divide both sides by minus 1, we have minus x all over minus 1 equal to 0 all over minus 1. Minus, we cancel minus, left with x equal to 0 divided by minus 1, we have 0. The answer is 0. Now we want to check if our answer is correct. Now we write check. We write the original equation, which is 5 raised to the power of x plus 1 equal to 25 raised to the power of x over 2 times root 5 raised to the power of 2x plus 2. Now put x equal to 0. Wherever we see x, we put 0. We have 5 raised to the power of 0 plus 1 equal to 25 raised to the power of 0 over 2 times root of 5 raised to the power of 2 times 0 plus 2. This we change to 5 raised to the power of 0 plus 1 gives us 1 equals to 25 raised to the power of 0 divided by 2 gives us 0 times root of 5 raised to the power of 2 times 0 gives us 0 plus 2 gives us 2. At this point, we have 5 raised to the power of 1 equal to anything raised to the power of 0 in law of indices is equal to 1. When we have n raised to the power of 0 is equals to 1. So therefore, 25 raised to the power of 0 will turn to 1 times square root of 5 squared. Square we cancel square roots. left with 5 times 5. Therefore, 5 raised to the power of 1 is equals to 5, equal to 5 times 5 gives us 5. The left hand side is equals to the right hand side, so our answer is correct. If this helped, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you very much.